Hey there and welcome to another one of my quick and easy air fryer recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make the crispiest, most flavourful roast potatoes in the air fryer. These potatoes have a crispy outer layer while the inner layer is fluffy and cooked to perfection. This is my new go-to recipe for quick roast potatoes. I've never been able to get my potatoes this crispy before, so making roast potatoes in an air fryer is a must from now on. So I'm going to start by boiling some potatoes until they are almost done. This took me around 10 to 15 minutes. I added some salt. I then went ahead and drained the potatoes. I added some butter. I added all of the ingredients that I've posted in the description below. I gave that a good mix. I added some crushed garlic. You can use garlic powder as an alternative. It's now time to put them in the air fryer. I added some olive oil at the bottom of my air fryer before putting my potatoes in. I set my air fryer at 190 degrees. I put them on for 20 minutes on the air fry option. So about halfway through I took them out, I gave them a good toss and then put them back in for the remaining time. And there we have it, cooked to perfection, crispy air fried potatoes. They were very easy to make in the air fryer. There were no mess, no trays to wash. Brilliant. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.